Okay, right now, this is my fat, okay, soluble, solid fat. So I have, this one I have coconut oil and beeswax. This one, rice bran, okay, room temperature right now. Now I want to heat this up. What I do is I use the microwave. Okay, let me turn this off. I use the microwave, okay, to heat up the solid fat, okay, so the coconut and beeswax. For me, with my microwave, 1.5, 1.5 minutes, okay. So I'll do that now to warm it up. Okay, I just took off the coconut oil and out of the microwave. So let's check the temperature. Okay, 99 degrees. Okay, so it's getting there. Okay, so 100 degrees, 22. Okay, now you're gonna mix these two together. Okay, but the way I do it, the way I learned how to make soap is from Ann Watson. You need to mix it in a stainless steel pot. Okay, this one is probably too big for this recipe, but I recommend if you do probably around 1 kilo, 1 liter, 1.2 around there. This pot is too big. Okay, the reason why you want to have a bigger pot than your normal batch is basically safety wise. Okay, you don't want to splash everything around. Okay, the other important thing is, for this recipe, you don't need a stick blender. A stick blender. Okay, but for other recipe, you still need a stick blender. For this recipe, I probably don't need a stick blender. Okay, I could be wrong. Okay, and you need something to mix it with. Okay, this is what I use. A silicone. Yeah. Oops. Okay. What I do is I put the oil in first. Okay, the liquid oil, all mixed up already. Put it in. Very simple. Okay, that's why you have the this one, scoop everything out. Okay, as much as I could, leave it out somewhere there. Then, right now the temperature in here is what? 22 degrees, room temperature. Okay, now after you add in your hot 100 degree, now it's to cool down to 89 degrees Celsius into your mix. Good now. Careful, it's too hot. Oh, coconut oil smells good. Okay, mix it a little bit. Okay, then check the temperature. 41 degrees. Okay, so if you add from the heated solid fat to a liquid fat, okay, the temperature should come around like 37 to 41 degrees. So that is the range. Okay, we aim for 37 degrees, but there is a window, okay, of 5 degrees Celsius in between. Okay, so from 32 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. So right now, this temperature right here is perfect to make soap. Not perfect, 37 is perfect. 43. Yeah, I need to weight it down a little bit. Okay. There's still some beeswax still hasn't been dissolved yet. Okay, but that's down a little bit. Not gonna hurt. Probably have to you know, microwave this another 30 seconds. Probably you know, but it's too late. Okay, you still can pull this back in and microwave it again. But so I keep stirring so the temperature cool down. Okay, let me check the light temperature in the ice bath. 24 degrees. Okay, so if I put in right now, it will slowly emulsify. Okay. Okay, let me take out the lye solution, otherwise it's getting too cold to do so. 37, 40 degrees, so it's coming down slowly. Now,